Dear children, welcome to Pebbles. Today we are going to learn our new topic, that is money. Okay, what is meant by money and important terms used in money and how to write in words and how to write in numerals. Okay, so let me see in this session. Okay, what is that is Indian currency. It is called as rupees and paise. For Indian currency, that is money, is called rupee and paise. Okay, let me know and let me discuss with example sums. Okay, so today's topic is money. Okay, let me do with example sums. Okay, that is money in Indian currency, which is called as rupees and paise. Okay, that is currency. Money, that means currency, which is called, that is rupees and paise. Okay, so for example, in your, that is in grade level, that is first standard and second standard, you didn't know the concept of money and you didn't understand the value of money. But in your grade level, as you grown up from age level, that is 5, 6 and 7, okay, now you are in age that is 7 or 8, you should know the value of money. Okay, for example, a boy, okay, a boy whose name that is John. Okay, John went to a village fair. Okay, that means village fair means that small stall, that is exhibition. Okay, that is in exhibition. In exhibition, Jane who bought some things. Okay, at a fair. Okay, he went that fair and he purchased toys, balloons and sweets. Okay, and how much money did he spend in all? Okay, first you have to introduce the concept of money and where it should be applied, that is application, how to applicate money, rupees, paise. Okay, let me know. Okay, some with example, that is a boy whose name is, that is John. Okay, John is a boy. Okay, who visited? John visited, okay, a village fair. Okay, it's a exhibition. Okay, somewhat this is a exhibition. Okay, in a village, the fair, he was going to purchase, okay, that's a concept of, that is toys, sweets, okay, and balloons, so many things. He purchased so many things and he he spent money for those items. Okay, let me calculate how much money did he spend in all. Okay, first he spent for rupees 8. Okay, for example, as he spent rupees 8 for kite. It's a kite. Okay, that means he spent, okay, rupees 8 for kite. Okay, and rupees 20 for sweets, because he loved sweets, so to buy sweet for that's spent money, that is 20 for sweets. Okay, and spent rupees 10, okay, for balloons. Okay, and how much money did he spend in all? Okay, that is how much money he spent in all. Okay, Let me calculate. That means 8 and rupees 10 and rupees 20. Okay. First, we are going to imagine that's the currency notes and coins in Indian money. Okay, that means that is available of rupees 8. Okay, in Indian money, the rupees are, that means which are, that is 10 rupees, okay, and 20 rupees, and that is 5 rupees. These are currency which is made up of, that is a paper, okay, that is rupee, okay, and paise, these are rupee, okay, and paise means that is 1 rupee coin, okay, 1 rupee and 2 rupee, okay, and 5 rupee and 10 rupee, okay, and 50 paise. Okay, these are coins. These are coins, that is paise. Okay, that is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coins and 10 rupee coins and 50 paise. Okay, these are currency notes regarding this amount, that is 10, 20 and 5. Okay, and what should he spend, and what are the currency note he gave to this for that shopping. Okay, here that is 10 and 20 and 5 for rupees 8. Okay, he spent, that is 1 5 rupee note, that is 5 rupee note, and that is 2 rupee coin, okay, and 1 rupee coin, that is totally 8 rupees 8. For, that is for kite. So he gave money in this format, that is 5 1 rupee note and 2 rupee coin, 1 coin and 1 rupee coin. So 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 1 8, that is rupees 8 he spent for kite. Okay, do you understand? And next he spent rupees 20 for sweets. Here exactly the 20 rupees is available here. Otherwise 2 10 rupee notes also for 20, or that means 2 10 rupee notes, it becomes, that is 10 plus 10 20 rupees. So he gave 20 rupees for, that is for kite, okay, to the kite shopkeeper. Okay, that is he gave 20 rupees and get back his sweets, okay, for 20 for sweets, and spent rupees 10 for balloons. Okay, he gave to the balloon shopkeeper, okay, balloon shopper he gave, that means rupees 10, okay, that is rupees 10 for balloon, or 2 5 rupee coins, okay, 2 5 rupee coins, that means also 5 plus 5, that is 10, or otherwise he gave, that means 2 5 rupee, that is 2 coins, 5 2 rupee coins, that also makes a 10, that is 2 2 2 2 and 2, 5 2 rupee coins makes 10. So he gave, that is at least that means 10 1 rupee note, or 2 5 rupee coins, or 2 rupee coins. He gave 5 2 rupee coins to the balloon shopkeeper for his purchase of balloons. Okay, so do you understand the concept of, that is currency, money and coin? And in other rupees available in Indian currency, that is 50 rupee note, okay, this is a 50 rupee note, and 100 rupee note, okay, and 200 rupee note, okay, and 500 rupee note, and 2000 rupee note. Okay, so these are available in currency note in Indian currency system. That is, these are rupees and these are paise. It's a which is made up of paper and which is made up of, that is steel. Okay, so do you understand the concept of and value of money? First you have to start your that is saving in your that is piggy bank or hundi. You have to receive packet money from your grandparents, at least 5 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin or 10 rupees. Okay, you keep so should keep in a safe. Okay, keep it as a your saving, personal saving for your purchasing, that is toys and snacks. Okay, so on that way only you have to learn the system of money and currency, and to know the importance of saving. Okay, little drops of water makes an ocean. Okay, so little that at least 1 rupee coin of each day you have to save 30 rupees at the end of this month. Okay, so try to develop your saving habit, and by knowing this concept of that is currency and the value of money. Okay, and let me enter into the next topic, that is how to read and write money, that is rupees and paise. Okay.